So I'm going to turn this on and burp the air out of it. See the air bubbles going out? See more air bubbles?
Yeah, this reminds me of my aquarium.
So I'll see if it'll work. I heard it, the noise change a little bit. Let me give it one more burp. Okay, got some more air out. I think I got all the air out with that burp valve.
Why is your water spraying down there?
That's our discharge for the burping procedure.
It's supposed to be there.
It's supposed to be, correct. Okay, so we've got all the air burped out of that system.
How do you know?
Because no more air bubbles came out of the bypass tube.
Okay.